everybody, this is Dr. Moore, and today I want to investigate how substances move in and out of cells. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to set up some cell models. I'm going to set up 5 cell models. And for my models, the cell membrane will be represented by this material. This is dialysis tubing. And the contents of the cell is what I'm going to vary. So one of the cells will have pure water in it. One will have 0.3 molar NaCl or table salt. One will have 1.0 molar table salt. One will have 0.3 sucrose or table sugar. And one will have 1.0 molar table sugar. So that'll be what's inside of the cells. Then for all of my cells, I'm going to take their mass today. So I'm going to record how much mass is inside each of the cells. Then I'm going to let them sit overnight in an environment that is pure water. And tomorrow I'm going to take their mass again. So let's get our first cell set up. I'm using this dialysis tubing as my cell membrane, and I need to tie a knot. This is a hollow tube, so I need to tie a knot at the bottom so that my liquids don't come rushing out. And then I'm going to fill this tube and all of my other tubes with 15 milliliters of liquid. So I'm going to measure out 15 milliliters of water. And then I'm going to use this funnel to pour the water into my cell. See my cell filling up with water there. And then I'm going to tie off my cell at the other end, right above where the liquid ends. Go ahead, tie a knot there. There we go. And then I'm going to blot this cell dry on some felt. And I'm going to take its mass. And then I'm going to put this cell in an environment full of water and use my Post-it note from before to create a label. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing to create my 4 other cells. All right, so now I've set up my 5 different cells. Each cell has a different solution inside. I've taken the mass of each cell, and then I've placed all of the cells in pure water. I'm going to let them sit in pure water overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to take their masses again. Good morning, everybody. It is time to check on the cell models that I created last night. I am going to remove each model from its watery environment. I'm going to blot it dry on a piece of felt, and then I'm going to take its mass on my balance. All right, there's the data. Now let's make sense of what we just observed.